All right, guys, so this is a overview of the Bestbomg hair clippers. These are the ones I ordered off Amazon, and I'm basically gonna show you what comes in the kit and how they've been working out so far. So I've had these for about 5 months, and so far they've been great. I mean, battery life's been great. The way they cut is great. No issues so far. So I know right now they're with the COVID stuff going on, it's real big to buy clippers right now, and they're selling out everywhere. So if you're hesitant about a certain brand, I'm hoping this will help you out a little bit. I kind of was, as this was only like 39 bucks for this whole kit, and it's worked out great so far. So first, this set of hair clippers replaced the cordless walls, and the walls were pretty good. It had all color coded guards, which was really nice. But the one thing it was missing was the adjustment for the blade. So a big upside to this is you can adjust forward and up to get a closer cut. And when you're fading, it makes it a lot easier having this adjustment as well. So my wife cuts my hair, and being in the military, I get a haircut once a week. My son gets a haircut occasionally. So this hair clippers, since new, have probably done about 25 to 30 haircuts already. Battery life is really good. I think the most we got out of it so far is about 3 or 4 haircuts, about 30 minutes a piece. And it's worked out really well so far. So this is the Skull Edition. Nothing special. Like I said, it was just 40 bucks. This is the reason I got it. Really light, decent amount of weight, easy to cut with, from what my wife says. In this kit, it includes a couple things. So of course, number one is the hair clippers with the little guard on it. Number two is gonna be the wall charger. And then you have scissors. These are not the best scissors. This is a cheap pair of scissors that's kind of included with the kit. My wife says they're not very sharp, and sometimes they have a hard time cutting through hair. A cheap little brush. As you can see, it's already bent up just from being in the case and kind of moved around a lot. And then a little cleaning brush, which this is good for cleaning out the blades when you're done. And then 6 blades. So the blades are numbered, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for these other ones, they're out, A and B. So the shortest blade is actually the 1.5 millimeter blade. And then, like I said, with the adjustment on the side, you can get even closer if you need to for a fade. The biggest blade is going to be number 4, which is 13 millimeter. One thing I did find interesting about this is this hair clippers, all the guards from the wall fit on here. So weird enough, the 1.5 guard from the wall cuts a little bit closer to the 1.5 that comes with this one. But that's not really a huge deal. It still worked out really good. As far as construction of this thing, like I said, it's pretty lightweight, but it has worked out pretty good. It has a battery light indicator, so you turn it on. Blue light means it's charged. Then once it goes to red, that means it's gonna die, and it'll actually start flashing when it's about to die. But the battery life has been really well. Then the actual blades themselves, I do clean this every single time we use it. So I clean it and oil it. It has worked out very well, and it's been a very reliable hair clipper. So yeah, overall, I mean, I bought this for, I think 39 or 40 bucks. And right now it's actually cheaper on Amazon. It's only 33 bucks. So for 33 bucks, you get this whole kit, everything you need to cut hair and do a fade. And like I said, the only thing I would recommend buying, if you were gonna continue to cut your own hair or have your spouse cut your hair, it would be a new set of scissors and then a better brush. But everybody's usually got a brush. But the hair scissors is definitely, I recommend getting it, and also a cape. Other than that, that's just the quick rundown of what comes with it. And like I said, 4 to 5 months old right now, 25 to 30 cuts, and it's still going good and still holding up strong. All right, so if you guys have any questions or want to know anything about this in particular kit, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm not a professional barber, nor do I claim to be. Neither does my wife. She does a really good job cutting my hair, but like I said, we are not professionals. And this is only our second set of clippers, wireless at that. First being the wall, so I can only compare the two. But like I said, for the price range of this, it's a very good kit and it does its job very well.